Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to start pulling the whole subframe out of our donor car. We are going to chop out these rails as well. We're going to take some reference points from the front here. We're going to take the whole subframe out, steering rack, pretty much the whole front end, chop it all out, and then we're going to put all that onto our drift car, and hopefully using that and the front radiator support, we'll be able to align all the chassis rails, weld everything back together, try and make it as strong as possible, build the rest of our rad support, and we can get this car closer to getting the engine put in. So engine's ready. We're pretty much now, we're at a standstill. So if this isn't done, I obviously can't put the engine in, so let's get to work. So the whole car has been stripped. All we got left is to chop out these rails, and in absolute typical Melbourne style, it's just started pissing down rain, so we're going to have to take a break and come back when it's not raining. I'm out here because once I chop the rails off, pretty much this is a non-rolling shell, so the tow truck's just going to pick it straight up from here, get rid of it, take it to the tip, and then we can start working on our car. Alright, the sun is out, who knows for how long. We're just going to run a couple of marks. So we'll probably run a line just here because it's just behind that central pickup for the subframe. So we'll cut a line across there, up the top, and pretty much I've decided I'm just going to chop the whole corner off, keep it, and then send this car off to scrap. And then we know we've got enough material there to make sure we can fix the front of the other car. So let's get to it. Alright, this is the last you're going to see of this car, so that is all the rails chopped out. So we will get to putting in the subframe into the other car, then we'll start chopping up and getting the rails to fit into that car, and then once it's all aligned, we will literally start welding it all up. So we're going to get to that in the next episode. So if you love BMWs and want to see these cars finished, and obviously the build on this drift car, then you can like, you can subscribe, and hit that bell. I'm trying to get a video up every week of the build. I think it's a little bit more of a unique build. Not too many people are building these right now here in Australia, at least, but obviously in Europe they're all over the place. So there's so much information on these cars, which is awesome. Jump onto all the forums and everyone knows what to do. So we'll see you in the next episode.